For our Solidworks design, we recreated the Caterpillar D11T bulldozer. This beast of a machine has translational and rotational movement in the rear ripper and bucket, as well as fully functioning internal components to replicate the real model. The Caterpillar D11T comes with the strong and efficient System 1 undercarriage, which is engineered to reduce wear and maintenance and is designed to be as close to the ground as possible for quick and precise maneuvers in the field. The ripper for this D11T is a 3-meter single shank blade with a tooth and protector to protect the shank during operation. This assembly is made of almost entirely moving parts with 4 hydraulic cylinders attaching the box to the frame to allow for full translational and rotational movement for any job. The front-loading bucket of the bulldozer has 4 hydraulic cylinders that attach to the undercarriage and hood and allow for multi-dimensional movement to dig and carry materials as well as stabilize the machine. Our engine for the D11T dozer is a V12 engine made to model the C32 of the real machine. The engine is made of 300 separate parts, all mated together with a combination of standard, advanced, and mechanical mates. Using belt mates between the crankshaft and camshaft, the two work at a 2-to-1 ratio, allowing for realistic and precise movements to run the engine and power the machine. The engine also has 2 rotating air filters and exhaust manifolds to replicate the real model. Attached to the engine is the bulldozer's transmission, consisting of the planetary gearbox and differential. The gearbox has 4 gear stages that translate the input RPM from the engine to a final output RPM that go to the treads. Each stage has 5 gears that are mated together to allow for smooth and realistic rotation. The differential gearbox then converts the rotation of the final output into horizontal rotation to the treads using a combination of 6 bevel gears and gear mates. This clutch braking system is instrumental in the operation of the machine, as it allows the operator to brake one tread while the other continues to move, which results in the machine being able to rotate and turn in the field. This part is made up of a series of plates, gears, and springs enclosed inside the drum. The full sheet metal hood of the dozer has front and side vents as well as 2 exhaust pipes to allow for ideal air intake and exhaust for the engine. There are also 2 doors on either side of the hood that allow for access to the engine for maintenance needs. The Caterpillar D11T has a fully electric clutch braking steering system on the left side of the operator. This allows the operator to control each tread independently. The right side has levers to control the front blade and rear ripper. In front of the operator sits a number of gauges and a small storage compartment for the operator's belongings. The cab has large windows for a clear view, and behind the cab sits a fuel tank to supply the diesel engine. The main frame of the dozer sits below the engine and is what holds every component together. This frame is built to take on twisting motions when operating on rough terrain and can withstand heavy shocks. In fact, many bulldozers have been rebuilt several times while using the same frame. The treads of the D11T wrap around the undercarriage and wheel drive and allows for maneuverability and adaptability to all terrain. The link rail design of the treads give the D11 increased traction and greatly improved wear life. This is our take on the Caterpillar D11T. Thank you for watching.